Alright, the truck. Remember the truck? The truck is back to life. We just gotta go get some wheels and tires for it to get the trailer out. These tires are balling. You wanna sit in there? It's a 3-seater. Pretty sweet dog leash you got there. Custom, dude.
Is that for dinosaurs?
Yeah.
It's for hyenas. It's hyena
It's
rated.
pretty sick, dude. Got the truck back. Always gotta have the dollar change out.
Oh wait, you did it already?
Dang, look at that. Nah, we got the other wheel, so we'll do it before and after. Get a little bit of this.
A little bit of that.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
And bam!
Rob wanted a $30 change out. I think it's good. Just let it sit in the sun for a little bit. I love how they didn't even air up the tire.
Dude.
So everyone's asking about what the land is. Basically, we got some land, about 20 acres right here to the left that we're gonna be moving to because we have way too much stuff, really is what it comes down to. Too many cars, so this is kind of a place that, you know, we can be secluded from everyone and kind of do what we want. We're doing some renovations right now on this home, so it'll be done hopefully within the next month. So we'll keep you guys updated on the house build. But right now we gotta go grab the trailer. That's what we came here for. So put new Johnnies on the truck. Hopefully we get this thing out right now.
I feel like you guys come out here on purpose when rattlesnakes will be out, so you can catch them.
What the fuck, dog? I don't know why you
We're good, yeah. We're gonna get this out.
Yeah, they do. In the hole. Oh, sick. I think we need to hook this in.
I think I pulled something. Ah, my knee.
Why is the bumper crash?
Like it
They
chewed
bit
on my
it.
bumper too.
I couldn't see a dog doing this. No, I know it's a creature. I don't think
like a wolf.
like I don't know if it's a dog though. That dent's gone.
To dent a fender that bad? Talking.
Chupacabra, dude.
Rob thinks it was a chupacabra that got the cars.
Gabe also thinks there's a chupacabra.
A chupacabra.
Johnny, you gotta come here. Pro tip: always make sure you pour water in your gas tank. So make sure you clean out your motor.
Yeah, it's water and a little bit of dish soap.
It goes a long way.
Clean out the injectors real good.
Anyone tells you this is wrong, they're lying to you.
They don't want you to know the secrets.
All right, back to the axles.
What are we gonna do about these freaking bears attacking our vehicles though, dude?
I'm gonna take that
Like-
log off, bro, before your windshield gets like smashed, like the
This
thing gets
is-
flung up.
Like, we've got a problem. What kind of animal tries to rip off fenders? Like, bite that, whatever the hell that
That's
is?
what it is.
Dude, I swear, there's freaking Loch Ness monsters out here.
Dang,
how JM this is. Bunch of stuff I can't read.
It's definitely all in English. Oh, I forgot. You just can't read. Huh? Gabe, throw the brick, Gabe.
I hate your bingo. Who is that?
Who is this guy?
Who you is?
Working on Rob's car. Oh, Rob. Yeah. Rob. No more 240s. We're doing 350s. 350Zs now. Who's
That
that guy?
footage is gonna be trash. What? It's dark
I
out.
changed to the 1.4.
Couldn't even get the freaking thing.
What thing?
Yeah. Hey, who had one of these back in 2001? Comment down below. Yeah, we were about that life since day one. Oh, God.
So I'm over here editing. Josh said we're going back to the land to get the trailer out. It's 12 a.m. Let's go. We're really doing this 12 a.m.
Is it
Dude, we have no choice at this point. I mean, it's either we go drifting tomorrow or we just wasted 5 days of our lives trying to prep for this day.
How about the life are you right now?
The life of the bout I am.
But we need weapons in case the chupacabra comes back.
If the Makachubre is there, it's going down.
Stupid little chupacabras. Brian, can you fight chupacabras?
Nah, she's not down.
Nah, she's definitely too old to fight chupacabras.
Alright,
I'm bringing this pipe just in case the super sabra comes at us.
Hey, I have an idea, Gabe. We should bring the trailer ramps.
Yeah. So we have something to bite.
Yeah.
And end up in the hospital tonight. What happened, guys? I'm Gabe. This is Jack. We're shitting metal and shit.
It's Jackbutt, okay? I'm Gabe. This is Jackbutt. Come on, say it again.
I'm Gabe. This is Jackbutt. And we're gonna break our shit. Bringing the trailer ramps. I'm thinking about those things shooting out full force. I'm just standing like, like, I didn't even fold my knees. I just folded because my shits are broken.
Hey guys, you guys wanna go one day?
Yes.
Yeah, a shovel. That's for when we kill the chupacabras. Just stick these in the holes that Gabe dug. Insert the footage right here. How does it feel being a mechanic?
It's good.
Beto, your
awesome.
car has 368,000 miles on it.
Oh, those are kilometers, bro.
Those are definitely not kilometers. Those are the perks of being a mechanic, dude. Every time something breaks, you fix it. So your car will last literally for the rest of your life.
Hey, I just want $500,000 and I'll let this engine rest.
See how smoothly his 4x just crawls over this stuff? Dude, our truck was like burning out, gnarly, just going right here. His thing just crawls over this crap like nothing.
That's what I'm saying. He's a 4x, bro. We're over here one-wheeling, dog.
Okay.
Hold on, I brought up one of those crackhead lights.
Don't break.
Oh, no, hold on. We don't need crackhead lights. Move this.
Oh, no way. You brought your daylight?
I brought my son, bro. I brought my son.
Hey, everyone keep your eyes out for the chupa choppa.
Oh,
Chop that shit in his fucking throat.
The freaking chupacabras,
I'll
dude.
super chop it that.
Alright, that's not going in the vlog.
What happened?
Gabe's freaking chupacabras.
Chalupa choppa?
Chalupa choppers. We're chopping chalupas. You guys want to see how strong a Toyota is? My Beto.
My Beto. My Beto is coming
My
out.
Beto is going to show you how to do this.
Okay, we gotta get
Yeah, get in the car.
People are gonna watch this. Like, these guys are smart, but so f***ing dumb.
Dumbest smart people you ever met.
You know how much cursing we're gonna have to bleep out of this?
Oh, the way I communicate with my friends,
Alright,
it's
so
pretty ideal.
we're gonna do this. Mike,
You know when
here's
girls think guys can't communicate properly? Men communicate very well amongst each other. Girls just don't understand.
my neighbor's from. Stop. Dude, the football fungus are coming.
The fecal funguses are coming.
Dude, my light is doing so well right now.
It's so bright.
Josh, how's your fan light so
Dude,
bright?
it's so good. You guys gotta buy this thing.
Come on, boy.
What?
Here, let's go.
Dude, I'm wearing such good attire right now for what we're doing.
Check it out. I just been getting spikes out of my feet like, all day, dude. Pretty good. You know what I'm saying? 1 o'clock in the morning, spikes in my feet. Probably not gonna shower. Super beat. Nah, I'm probably gonna shower. Just saying it for the camera. Just saying it for the camera so people don't think I'm dirty.
We're going the exciting route. Oh yeah, we gotta go down there. Good. Give it gas. No way.
You're like 90 degrees.
Oh, you're on. Okay.
The garage is locked.
It is?
Yeah.
The land is pretty sick at night.
Yeah.
Dude, there's
Fucking care about frogs.
Dude, oh my god, you're gonna step on them.
Eat the frog.
I hate frogs. So
There's so many frogs.
you're the winner. You're the winner.
It's a frog head.
You're the winner.
That's a cool looking frog though.
Oh, Pete!
Well, that's a wrap, huh? Good day, boys.
Trailer out.
Ready for tomorrow. In like 3 hours, we gotta wake up and go to the truck.
Today, not tomorrow.
Yeah, it's today.
Today, later.